Welcome to flowwork.ai, where smart agents go beyond human effort. If you've ever spent hours going through messy bank statements, manually categorizing expenses, or trying to understand your financial patterns, this is for you. In this demo, we'll show you how the Bank Statement Analyzer agent transforms your raw bank statements into clean, structured data, giving you quick insights, organized breakdowns, and smart visualizations, all in just a few clicks. Start by selecting the Bank Statement Analyzer from the homepage. Choose the location and financial institution of your bank statement. Then upload the account statement PDF. Make sure it matches the selected institution. Click on Use Agent. The AI will analyze your bank statement and generate a detailed task list automatically. Now, head over to the Pivot tab. Select key fields like transaction amount, category, and subcategory. You'll now see a breakdown of total amounts, categorized by expense, loan, transfer, travel, and more. Click on Summarize to get quick insights and highlights using Stella AI. For better clarity, switch the chart type to pie for a visual representation of your financial data. Your bank statement is now fully analyzed, visualized, and summarized, all in just a few clicks. Whether you're an individual, analyst, or business, flowwork.ai helps you make smarter decisions with less effort. Thanks for watching.